All right, I am super excited about this box. I have been waiting for this for a while. I ordered these like the second week of December, and um, it took forever. I'm just getting them. It is January 8th, as you can see on my watch here, January 8th, 2024. So if you can see here, it says Elevate Figure Display. So I seen this initially. I think I saw this on, I'm not sure. Maybe I saw it on, where did I see this? I'm not quite sure where I saw this. I might have seen it on a TikTok, or I saw some reviewers doing reviews of them. Conveniently, you know how it works. As soon as you look at something on Google, all of a sudden everything knows that you were looking for that. So it popped up magically on YouTube, and so I saw some figure reviews. Due to the holidays, our overseas shipment was severely delayed. As a thanks for waiting patiently for your pre-order, we offer you a 20% off coupon that expires at the end of January. If you enjoy the product you receive, you would like to reorder, use the coupon code for 20% off. Very nice. I appreciate that, Elevate. I'm definitely, if these are good, if these are as good as they looked on the videos that I've seen, I'm definitely going to get more of these. They were not cheap, but they could be worth it. Nice little card here. You can get their Instagram there. Here's another discount code if anybody wants to use that, if you want to buy these. Let's see. So, first thing I got here are the premium peg-free foot stands. Yeah, I really want to check those out. All right, and so these are like tiered stands, bases, I should say. They're tiered bases, which these set on top of if you want to, or you can just use these as you can use these separately, but you can also use these tier stands. So I bought 2 of these, and I bought a total of, I forgot. Oh, damn, I did buy a lot of them. Okay, so I bought a bunch of these foot stands. So I have, that's 3, 6, 9, 12. So I bought 15 of these foot stands, which I think I paid about $70, and I think that's a really good deal because I'll be able to put 3 on each one of the stands, and they do like link together, so you can kind of combine them to do different stuff. So let's get a couple of these open real quick. You've probably already seen people use these, but this is my first time checking them out. So these are pretty cool. Elevate Figure Displays. You can clearly see these are 3D printed. So you could probably, they probably won't sell you their image, unfortunately, because you could easily 3D print these yourself. I do have a 3D printer, but you know what? Supporting a third-party company, I don't mind. I paid $70. That's pretty good. So yeah. So for instance, you can combine them this way. You can have it this way. You can go here. You can go here. So it's all kind of cool little ways that you can combine these things. You can even set them on top of each other like this. So if you wanted to, have it like super high, you can elevate it like that. I don't know if that would stick or not, but maybe like this. Maybe you can maybe have something under here. You know, have something under here, prop it up or something under the thing, prop it up. I don't know, but that's not how I'll display them. So 2 of these, I'll set those to the side. And then let's check out one of these foot stands, premium peg-free foot stands. These I am particularly excited about because these things, I don't have to have the stand through them. Or I don't have to have the bases. Oh, cool, I don't need my cutter there. And like they come in nice little baggies here. So we get these out. Yeah, I like these. Very sticky. Not as sticky as tape would be. Ooh, I like these. I like these a lot. You can see, it's supposed to say, I guess it's actually backwards, huh? It says elevatefiguredisplay.com. And yeah, you just stick your character's foot in there and they just stand. And these can just set in here like so. And you can have like your figures, you know, if you have like a flying figure or something, you can have it standing a little bit higher than the other. You can have them fighting each other, like one person is flying and looking down at the other one. Have them up here looking down at the person there. These are freaking awesome. I love them. All right. I'm obviously not going to open all of these up on the video, but I will do some pictures of them at the end of this video of my figures displayed. I'm not going to do anything fancy. I'm just going to kind of put them up how I have them sitting right now. The ones that I have out, I have a really small crib, so I don't have enough room for all my figures. So I just kind of got a few of them out. But anyway, that is it. Yeah, these are really cool. I love these. Thank you, Elevate a Figure Display, for making these, because I did buy them, so I can't say that they sent them to me. But thank you for shipping them to me, and thank you for the 20% off on my next purchase. I will definitely, most likely, be buying some more, depending on how these work out. So anyway, that was it for the just really quick unboxing and quick review of the Elevate Figure Display Stands. All right, yeah, have a good one, and Happy New Year. All right, so I am going to kind of show you guys what I did with my Elevate figure stands. So these are all the figures that I have out displayed in my living room because I don't have room. I plan on this couch I'm getting rid of this couch and getting a smaller couch. And then I'm gonna switch it on a different side of the room, and then I'll have some shelving here also for more of my shoes, because I need more space for my shoes as well, but also for figures. So I'll get some more Elevate stands, and I'm definitely gonna get some more Elevate stands. But I kind of just wanted to show what I did with the ones that I got. So the ones that had the bases, it's hard to kind of see, but you can kind of see in there. I have Sanji, so I have all the One Piece main cast so far. And then I have all of the Jada Street Fighter Wave 1 people standing there as well. Ryu kind of doing all you can, and Fei Long doing his kick as high as I could get him. I can't really get his waist to twist for some reason. It's stuck. But Chun-Li is definitely super posable. She's probably the most posable in my opinion. And so then I kind of got a Jim Lee Mafex thing going on right here. So I'm kind of waiting for some more Jim Lee Mafex figures to be made, because the Gambit and the Cyclops, the Jean Grey and the Wolverine from them. I want to say the Psylocke is also Jim Lee. So you can see that I used just the foot stand for Psylocke there, and I did that to a bunch of them. The X-Force Cyclops, I have him on one. I was gonna put this Iron Man, I was gonna put his gun up and stuff, but I just don't have the space for that. But you can see that back here. I have Sabo and Sanji from Variable Action Figure stands as well. Sanji looks like he's about to knock Sabo over. Actually, he needs to be leaning more this way. This figure in general is kind of a pain in the ass. There we go. This is as good as I'm gonna get it right now. What I will say, something that's not great about these is that these are probably definitely just for 1/12. I'm sure they probably say that, but it doesn't fit all 1/12 figures, right? Because it depends on their feet. So that's kind of the drawback of these stands, is that it's not going to fit every character's feet. Like it doesn't fit Sanji's feet. Obviously, this is a bigger scale than 1/12, but it does fit Sabo's feet for the most part. But then we get into Zoro here. So Zoro has boots, right? I could not fit Zoro's feet in one of the stands to get it to stay. So that's like a drawback to these. It's not just going to fit everybody, but I do have I don't know why I'm blanking on Nami. I have Nami. Her feet fit perfectly because they're small, even though the scale is bigger than 1/12. And I have Robin back there. Those were two figures that were really difficult to stand. I always had them leaning against the wall because these are old. They're old, one, and then two, they have really thin, weak ankle joints. Other figures, like this Catwoman technically doesn't fit in there. Her foot does not fit in it. Mafex Catwoman, her foot doesn't fit in there. But it fits in there enough to where it will have her standing. I think this is Nightfall Batman. I think this was Ezreal that was playing in this suit. His fits perfectly. Like for instance, this what Batman is this? This is the Return of I think it's Batman Dark Knight Returns Batman, when he was in his Superman suit. His feet will not fit in one of the stands. They're way too big. Those boots that he has on. So that's it for now. That's all I really have. I had a lot of them, as you can see. Shit, I fucked that up. As you can see, I did have quite a few of them. So there's 6 on the bases, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I had 9 all together. 9 or 2. No, I had like 15. Yeah, I don't know. Somewhere around there. So I bought quite a few. I'm definitely gonna buy more. I do have Ace. I had set all this up and forgot to put Ace over here with the taller scale One Piece figures, and so he is on his own right now. I did not feel like resetting all this. I do have a little space here. I might put some figures here because these are kind of just random. They're not in really in any one genre or one anime or something. I mean, guess these two are here. And I guess you can kind of put these two here since they're both like Fate characters. But I'm waiting for his dad to come out, so he's just kind of sitting there chilling by himself for right now. I don't have really, I think that's actually the only Storm collectibles figure that I have in my collection at the moment because I sold a bunch. But Anyway, yeah, that's what I did with the stand. So yeah, they're really good. They're super helpful for your 112 figures. I definitely recommend getting them. I will be getting more. You just got to be aware that it's not going to fit every single one of them. Oh yeah, and I got up here, I got Peter Parker standing on one. There's the other one. So yeah, but that's it. Peace.